Good morning, students. Today we will discuss on a fresh topic, that is on weather forecast, which is a very important subtopic for your chapter Weather and Climate. In this video, we shall be talking about weather forecast, the importance of weather forecast, and also we will know about what are isotherms and what are isoheights. So let us begin and understand what is it actually weather forecast. So weather forecast is usually the prediction of weather conditions issued by the meteorological departments of a country on the basis of the data collected by use of various instruments and more importantly from images sent by the artificial satellites that humans have sent in orbit around the earth. So, usually, as you can see from this picture, and it's very clear, usually we say that the weather is either cloudy, sunny, rainy, partly cloudy, windy, stormy, snowy, and the temperature is either high or low. So, weather forecast is basically the forecasting or the prediction of weather conditions. So, when we want to know what the future weather looks like, then we call it as weather forecast. And also, there are a number of instruments which are used in case of weather forecasts. So, weather forecasts are made by the meteorological stations and they are very important. Okay. So, also, in case of weather forecasting, we require the applications of the principles of physics. Why? Because meteorology is a branch which is a branch of physics. So, meteorology is the science or the branch which deals about the climate as well as the rigorous study of climate from a very scientific approach by using mathematical calculations and analysis. Right? And there are various important weather signs which are used. So these are some of the important weather signs. So why are these weather signs important? Because they help us to know whether where they help us to know about the wind direction, velocity, and cloud cover guide, air traffic, etc. So they also determine temperature, humidity, precipitation control, and the cropping pattern and cropping season of a place. Thus, a weather report helps the farmers to prepare for any changes in weather conditions. Now, various military operations, geographical expeditions, important sport events all are taken into consideration for weather forecasts and recordings. Weather forecasts also help us to avert damages caused by natural climatic disasters such as hurricanes and cyclones. Climate scientists also play an important role in alerting people of extreme weather conditions. Over here, you can see the map of the advance of the southwest monsoon of 2020. So, the green lines indicate the actual onset of the monsoon, whereas the red lines indicate the normal onset of the monsoons. So this is also a weather map which is showing the onset of the monsoons in case of India. Next, usually this is an image which is produced by the Indian Meteorological Department of Delhi, and this is a black and white image, but more often when we see it in the television or we view it in our phones, this can also come as in the form of a color image. So this is showing basically the weather conditions of India. Now we are going to discuss regarding isotherm. So isotherm and isoheights, they both represent temperature and rainfall patterns of a map respectively. So isotherms are basically lines which are drawn on a map or a chart joining places or points with the same temperature. So this is an isotherm map which is showing the lines joining temperature having the same temperature all throughout the world. So the first map shows the isotherm lines for January, whereas the second map shows the isotherm lines for July. So note the differences between the temperature changes between January and July. Next, we are going to discuss about isoheights. So what are isoheights? Isoheights are basically they are lines on a map which connect points that have the same amounts of precipitation in a given period or for a particular storm. So that is an isoheight. Isoheights, as you can see from this map, basically show the rainfall pattern, or they show the seasonal distribution of rainfall across various regions. In this case, you can see the rainfall distribution pattern for India. And this is the mean October rainfall of the island of Kauai, where isoheights are used to determine the rainfall patterns. With this, I come to the end of the video, and I hope all of you have understood the basic concept of weather forecast, its important, and the terms isoheights and isotherms. Thank you.